Self-storage company Extra Space Storage announced its Q2 earnings where it beat market expectations. It reported revenue of $810 million and funds from operations at $2.06 per share, beating expectations of $2 per share. Extra Space Storage is largest operator of self-storage facilities and is a member of S&P 500. Let's analyze the stock further. Performance summary indicates strong 1-year and 5-year returns while the year-to-date returns are moderate. The latest stock price is trending above 50-day and 200-day moving average, indicating an overall upward trend. Looking at the short ratio and short percent of float together, there appears to be some bearish sentiment but not concerning. The company has strong margins and strong current ratio. The PEG ratio indicates overvaluation. Money flow analysis indicates institutional selling. Retail sentiment is slightly positive. Put-call ratio indicates bearish sentiment in the short and long-term and bullish sentiment in the medium term. Investors may want to track these trends. The monthly returns indicates a mixed trend, but the stock has yielded consistent positive returns in last few months. The monthly returns for September have been negative for last 3 years, so investors may want to track price movement in coming weeks. Benchmark analysis doesn't indicate a strong trend of the stock outperforming S&P 500 in the recent past, but there is a good probability of that trend reversing in the medium to long term. Investors may want to track benchmark analysis in coming weeks. Historic risk analysis indicates the stock is currently in its worst drawdown. Long-term investors may want to track this trend closely to identify buying opportunities. The stock has decent risk-adjusted returns as indicated by Sharpe ratio and other measures, but currently, S&P 500 provides better risk-adjusted returns. Financial metrics indicate positive trend in most key metrics. Enterprise value and market cap show a strong upward trend. Earnings are up, free cash flow is up. The PE ratio is slightly on the higher side. Overall, Extra Space Storage shows a strong trend of long-term growth and good financial health. In the short term, the stock may reflect the uncertainties of broader economic conditions, but it has strong probability of outperforming S&P 500 in the medium to long term. Investors are advised to track benchmark analysis and institutional flow in coming months. Happy investing!